The concerns were mainly before the deal about tariffs, and now it's about what documents do I need to provide so I have no problems going through the borders.
But because we didn't know what would happen, because the decision was taken so late in December, we had to do something. So we decided to send quite a lot of our stock to the UK and operate from a logistics center there. We also import from the UK, and we were worried that what would happen if we suddenly could not get access to the material we need. So what we did was stock a lot of that material in advance.
The Brexit at the end, it helped us to increase and to be focused in British market. Many competitors that we have in the past, they haven't took the correct decision of, like us, to invest in warehouse and an entity there.
We are going to assume the cost of leaving the product and entering the product to the United Kingdom, but in exchange we will increase the minimum order conditions to our customer. This change may affect the customers who usually place small orders.
Initially, we had the doubt if these duties would be paid by Pulcra or by our customer, but in the end, we have agreed with our customer that the duties will be paid by them.